Hello, good morning, student. Welcome you all in my YouTube channel, Kshitish Chemistry Classes for IIT, JEE, and NEET. Today is my lecture second. In the previous lecture, I have described about the fundamentals of organic chemistry or some important facts regarding the organic chemistry compound or organic compound. Myself, Dr. Richa Kothari, working as a professor in Department of Chemistry, IITM University, Gwalior. Dear student, today's my lecture is attacking reagents. There are two types of attacking reagents. First one is the electrophiles and the second one is the nucleophile. So today's my lecture is based on the attacking reagent. Attacking reagent means there are some species or some chemical species in the form of atoms, ions, and molecules formed in the reaction medium in the in situ part or in between the reaction before conversion of reactant into the product. These species are known as the attacking reagent. So, first of all, I explain the definition of attacking reagents. That is, what are attacking reagents? There are two types of attacking reagent, that is electrophiles and nucleophiles. So, as usual, my lecture is based on the following areas in the form of outline. First of all, I explain the introduction of the attacking reagent. Second, electrophiles, types of electrophiles and the properties of electrophiles. Third is nucleophiles, definition of nucleophiles, types of nucleophiles and properties of nucleophiles, followed by exercise. On the basis of my today's lecture, I will give you some questions. You can try to solve these questions. So these are the areas which I have covered in my today's lecture. So first of all, I explain the attacking reagent. What are attacking reagents? In chemistry or in the organic compound. So attacking reagents are those species that attacks a substrate molecule. Substrate means reagent molecule. Reagent means जहां से हम reaction start करते हैं, substrate molecule or intermediate compound and forms a product is called the attacking reagent. अटैकिंग रिएजेंट वो स्पीशीज हैं जो सबस्ट्रेट से प्रोडक्ट बनने तक रिएक्शन के बीच में बनती हैं. दीज स्पीशीज in the form of atoms, ions or molecules. These species are known as the attacking reagents. In the organic compounds, there are two types of attacking reagents. First one is the electrophilic reagent. Electrophilic reagents also known as the electrophiles. And the second one is the nucleophilic reagent or nucleophile. So, what are the attacking reagents? Attacking reagents are those species that attacks a substrate or the reagent molecule or the intermediate compound and lastly convert into the product is called the attacking reagent. So on the basis of the positive and negative charges, the attacking reagents are divided into two categories, electrophiles and the nucleophiles. Now I explain some another facts related to the electrophiles and nucleophiles. We know that electrophiles and the nucleophiles are those types of chemical species that either donate or accept electrons and converted or the formation into the new chemical bond. So, electrophiles and nucleophiles are those molecular species or chemical species. They have the tendency to either donate or they accept electrons and convert or take part in the formation of the new chemical bond. The most important, or we can say that the electrophiles plays a very important role in the formation of organic compound. The concept of the electrophiles and nucleophiles first introduced in the year 1933, and at that time The electrophiles and nucleophiles are known as the catenoids and the anionids. Anions or catenoids. Cations means positively charged and anions means negatively charged species or the radical. So this is the general concept of the attacking reagent which are involved in the formation of different chemical compounds. Now, first of all, I explain the term electrophile. Dear student, the electrophile word is made up of two terms. First, two terms or two words. First word is electro, and electro means this word derived from the term electron, and the phile means loving. So, those molecular species which have the capacity to accept electrons are known as the electrophiles. Any molecule, any ion, any atom that are deficient in electron are known as an electrophile. We can say that all the electron deficient species or molecule or ion or atom acts as an electrophile. In other words, we can say that the reagent which attacks the negative of the molecule or loves the electron is called the electrophile. Electrophiles are generally positively charged or the neutral species. In a common language, we can say that electrophiles are the electron deficient species with empty orbital. Electrophiles हमेशा पॉजिटिवली चार्ज होते हैं, उनके पास इलेक्ट्रॉन की डेफिशिएंसी होती है और ऑर्बिटल हमेशा खाली होता है. They are positively charged or neutral species. They are also known as the electron deficient molecule with empty orbital. The most important property of electrophiles are they can accept a couple of electrons. This is the most important property of the electrophile. So, electrophile means these are the atoms, ion, molecules which have the tendency to accept electron pair in the reaction medium are known as an electrophile. There are two types of electrophile. One is the positively charged and second one is the neutral species. This is the description of an electrophile. Now I explain the various properties of the electrophile. Dear student, we know that electrophiles are the electron deficient in nature. Electron deficient means जिसके पास इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की कमी होती है उन स्पीसीज को हम इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंट स्पीसीज कहते हैं. Electrophiles are the electron deficient species and they tend to be attracted towards the electron. ये क्योंकि इनके पास इलेक्ट्रॉन की कमी होती है तो ये हमेशा इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की तरफ अट्रैक्ट होते हैं. So electrophiles are the electron deficient species and they have the tendency to attract it towards the electron. According to charge, there are two types of electrophiles. First category is the positively charged electrophiles and the second category is the neutral electrophiles. Electrophiles always attack electron-rich areas such as carbon double bond carbon, carbon triple bond carbon. So, electrophiles are always attacked at this position where the electron density is maximum. In case of electrophiles, the movement of electron is affected by the density of electron and the movement is generally from a high density area to the lower density area. Means all electrophiles are electron deficient in nature and they have the tendency to attract towards electron. They are either positively charged or the neutral molecule. They attack the electron-rich areas such as carbon double bond carbon, carbon triple bond carbon, carbon triple bond nitrogen, cyanide, isocyanide, carbonyl group. So in case of electrophiles, when the electrophile attacks toward the electron-rich areas, The movement of electron is affected by the density of the electron, and the movement is generally takes place from a high density area to a low density area. So these are the properties or basic properties of the electrophile. This slide shows the another properties of the electrophile. Means electrophiles in a reaction medium always favors the electrophilic addition and the electrophilic substitution reaction. इलेक्ट्रोफाइल्स हमेशा दो प्रकार के रिएक्शंस को फेवर करते हैं, इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक एडिशन रिएक्शन एंड इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन. As a result of this, due to the deficiency of electron, they always accept electron. All electrophiles are generally known as the Lewis acid. And electrophiles are involved in the electrophilic substitution reactions and the addition reaction. Means due to the electron deficient nature, all electrophiles are considered under the category of the Lewis acid, and they involved in the different reaction mechanism like electrophilic substitution reaction and the electrophilic addition reaction. So these are the reaction mechanism where the electrophiles are taking part in the reaction medium. Now I explain the types of the electrophiles. Dear student, there are two types of electrophiles, or we can say that electrophiles can be classified as, first category is positively charged electrophile. जब इलेक्ट्रोफाइल के ऊपर पॉजिटिव चार्ज होता है तब हम उसको पॉजिटिवली चार्ज इलेक्ट्रोफाइल्स कहते हैं. There are various examples of the positively charged electrophiles. First one is the H1, H positive. This is the proton. Proton, SO3H positive, sulfonic acid, NO positive, nitronium, NO2 positive, nitrosonium, X positive, halonium, that is chloride positive, Br positive, iodide positive, fluoride positive. So in a general language, X positive means halonium ion, R positive means carbocation, C6H5N2 positive means diazo group, C2H5OH ethyl alcohol, CH3 and the carbonyl group. CH3 means alkyl radical. All alkyl radicals comes under the category of positively charged electrophile. Second category or second classification is neutral electrophiles. Neutral electrophiles always electron deficient. In the neutral electrophile, there are two categories. First, all Lewis acids come under the category of neutral electrophile. The examples of neutral electrophiles are BF3, boron trifluoride, AlCl3, aluminum trichloride, SO3, sulfur trioxide, ZnCl2, zinc dichloride, BeCl2, beryllium dichloride, FeCl3, ferric chloride, SnCl2, stannous chloride, CO2, carbon dioxide, and SnCl4 is the stannic chloride. SnCl2 is the stannous chloride and SnCl4 is the stannic chloride. So all the Lewis acid behaves as a neutral electrophile in the reaction medium. Second category of neutral electrophiles is neutral atom. The neutral atom that accept electrons from the substrate are known as the neutral electrophiles. Most important examples are carbonyl group, C double bond O. This is the carbonyl group. RCOCl, acetyl chloride. RCOCl is the acetyl chloride. RMgX, Grignard reagent, RMgX. R is an alkyl radical and X is the halogen. In place of X, you can write I and Cl. CH3 radical, cyanide radical, RCl, alkyl radical, alkyl chloride, and RO. RO is the alkoxy group. So electrophiles comes under the category of the neutral atom when they accept electrons from the substrate. Most important examples are, first one is the acetic anhydride, R C double bond O O C double bond O R. This is the formula, general formula of acetic anhydride. Second formula is R C double bond O O R. This is the general formula of ester. R C double bond O NH2. This is the formula of acetamide. R C double bond O OH. So this is the formula of carboxylic acid. And so on. And the last molecule is R single bond N double bond C double bond N. This is the isocyanate group. This is the most important intermediate compound or intermediate attacking reagent in the Curtius rearrangement reaction. In all the reactions or in all the slides, the star indicates the atom that accepts electron. Third category of the electrophiles are free radicals, carbenes and nitrines. All are the attacking reagents and all are acts as an electrophiles. There are some another species with electrophilic centers are H. H contains one electron. This is the hydrogen free radical. Second category is HF, hydrogen fluoride, HCl, HBr, HI, HOCl, hypochlorous acid, HOBr, hypobromous acid, and O double bond N double bond O. This is the nitride group. O double bond N single bond Br. This is the bromide group, chloride free radical, because all these contains one unpaired electron and then they are known as the free radical. So these are the categories of the, or we can say that the electrophiles are classified according to the presence of the positive charge as well as the neutral species. Now I explain some important information about the electrophile. We know that H positive is the proton, but H3O positive. H3O positive means when the water molecule accepts one proton and convert it into the H3O positive ion, then H3O positive ion is known as the hydronium ion, and this hydronium ion carries a positive charge, but due to the presence of the full vacant orbital in its outermost shell, it does not qualify to be an electrophile. The most important thing is हाइड्रोनियम आयन जिसके ऊपर पॉजिटिव चार्ज होता है पर हम उसको इलेक्ट्रोफाइल में कंसीडर नहीं करते हैं. तो हाइड्रोनियम आयन को हम इलेक्ट्रोफाइल में कंसीडर क्यों नहीं करते हैं? क्योंकि इसके पास completely filled orbitals present होता है. Outermost shell means hydronium ion contains the presence of the full vacant orbital in its outermost shell. This is the exception of an electrophile. Second exception is the ammonium ion. Ammonium ion is NH4 positive. It does not have vacant orbital to extract electron. So the ammonium ion not classified as electrophile. So there are two exceptions for the electrophile. That is hydronium ion does not considered as an electrophile, as well as ammonium ion also not classified as an electrophile because it does not have a vacant orbital to attract electron. These are the exceptions of the electrophilic nature or electrophile. Now I explain the nucleophile. We know that इलेक्ट्रोफाइल इज अ रिएजेंट. इलेक्ट्रोफाइल एक सबस्ट्रेट है और एक रिएक्टेंट है विच गिव्स एन इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर टू फॉर्म अ कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड. इलेक्ट्रोफाइल एक रिएक्टेंट है जो रिएक्शन मीडियम में एक इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर डोनेट करता है कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड बनाने के लिए. So definition, according to definition, a nucleophile is a reactant which gives an electron pair to form a covalent bond. As the electrophile, a nucleophile is usually charged, negatively charged, or the neutral nucleophile with a lone pair of electron, and this lone pair of electron can be donated in the reaction medium to form a single covalent bond. The most important example of nucleophiles are H2O, water molecule, OM3, that is OCH3, this is the methoxy group. OTBU means tertiary butoxide group. So these are the nucleophiles which contains minimum one lone pair of electron to donate in a reaction medium so that it forms a single covalent bond in the reaction medium. In a common language, we can say that all electron-rich species comes under the category of the nucleophile. So this is the definition of nucleophile. We know that the word nucleophile is made up from the two words. Nucleophiles, nucleo means this word derived from the word nucleus, and phile means loving. So the species that attacks the positive side of the substrate or loves the nucleus are called nucleophiles. So in organic chemistry or in organic compound, those species that attacks the positive side of the substrate or love or attracts toward the nucleus are called the nucleophile. Nucleophile donate unshared electron pairs and they act as a Lewis base according to the Lewis concept of acids and bases. So dear student, all electrophiles are considered as the Lewis acid and all nucleophiles are considered as a Lewis base because they have a minimum one lone pair of electron to donate in a reaction medium. Now I explain the properties of the nucleophile. All nucleophiles consist of electrons and they always attracted towards the nucleus because nucleus is positively charged, so nucleophiles are attracted towards the nucleus. They are either negatively charged or the neutral molecule. Means nucleophiles are further divided into two categories: negatively charged nucleophiles and the neutral nucleophile. According to second property, all nucleophiles are donor of electron. They always donate electrons in the reaction medium. Third property, electrons in nucleophiles. The movement of electron always takes place from low density area to high density area. So when the nucleophile attacks on a substrate molecule or on the reagent molecule, electrons are always moved from low density area to high density area. All nucleophile always support the nucleophilic addition reaction and the nucleophilic substitution reaction. Means there are two types of chemical reactions in which nucleophiles acts as an attacking reagent. First category is the nucleophilic addition reaction and the second one is the nucleophilic substitution reaction. These agents are also called as Lewis bases. Means due to the presence of the lone pair of electron, all nucleophiles comes under the category of the Lewis base. Now I explain the types of nucleophile. As per the presence of the charges on the species, nucleophiles are divided into two categories. First category is the negatively charged nucleophile. जब न्यूक्लियोफाइल के ऊपर नेगेटिव चार्ज होता है तब हम उसको नेगेटिवली चार्ज न्यूक्लियोफाइल्स कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल H नेगेटिव हाइड्राइड आयन, OH नेगेटिव हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन, OR negative, that is alkoxide ion. CN negative, cyanide ion. X negative, halide ion, that is iodide ion, bromide ion, chloride ion, and fluoride ion. R negative, that is carb anion. RCO negative, that is carboxylate ion. NH2 negative, that is amide ion, and so on. So these are the species which contains the negative, which contains the minimum one lone pair of electron and carries the negative charge, and therefore they are classified under the category of negatively charged nucleophiles. Second is the all Lewis bases, which contains lone pair of electron or comes under the category of nucleophiles. That is RMgX. RMgX is the Grignard reagent. R is an alkyl group and X is an halide ion. RLi means organolithium compound. LiAlH4, that is lithium aluminum hydride. CH3CN, this is methyl cyanide. NaBH4, sodium hydrobromide, and so on. So all these compounds contains a minimum lone pair of electron which can donate in a reaction medium are known as the nucleophiles, and in this case these nucleophiles are also known as the Lewis bases. So we can say that the nucleophiles are also known as the Lewis bases. All electrophiles are Lewis acids and all nucleophiles are the Lewis bases. Third classification of nucleophile is ambident nucleophile. Ambident means when a nucleophile have two sides of electron rich center or in which two or more atoms bear an unshared pair of electron. ऐसा इलेक्ट्रोफाइल जहाँ जो दो तरफ से इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट कर सकता है, then these nucleophiles are known as the ambident nucleophiles. For example, NH2OH. NH2OH means hydroxylamine. K, C triple bond N, this is the potassium cyanide, and so on. So those nucleophiles which have two sides of the electron donation are known as the ambident nucleophile. Examples of ambident nucleophile is hydroxylamine and the potassium cyanide. Fourth category or fourth classification nucleophile is molecules contains multiple bond. Multiple bond means presence of double or triple bond. Molecules containing multiple bond between carbon and a more electronegative atom can act both as an electrophile as or nucleophile. ऐसे मॉलिक्यूल जिसमें मल्टीपल बॉन्ड प्रेजेंट होते हैं. मल्टीपल बॉन्ड मीन्स प्रेजेंस ऑफ डबल और ट्रिपल बॉन्ड. तो ऐसे मॉलिक्यूल जिसमें मल्टीपल बॉन्ड प्रेजेंट होता है कार्बन और हाईली इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एटम के बीच में, दे कैन एक्ट बोथ एज एन इलेक्ट्रोफाइल और न्यूक्लियोफाइल. एग्जाम्पल ऑफ such type of molecules or nucleophiles are, first is the C double bond O. C double bond O is the carbonyl group. In this case, carbon behaves as an electrophilic center and the oxygen behaves as a nucleophilic center. Second example is CH3 C triple bond N. This is methyl cyanide. In this case, nitrogen is considered as the nucleophile and carbon is considered as the electrophile. So ऐसे मॉलिक्यूल जिसमें मल्टीपल बॉन्ड प्रेजेंट हो, डबल और ट्रिपल बॉन्ड हो, इसमें दो डोनर साइट हो, मींस वन एक्ट्स एज एन इलेक्ट्रोफाइल and second one acts as a nucleophile. Such type of molecule also comes under the category of the ambident nucleophile. Ambident means जहां हम दोनों तरफ से अटैच कर सकते हैं. Now the basic difference between nucleophile and electrophile is electrophiles always accept electrons and nucleophile always supplies electron pair. इलेक्ट्रोफाइल हमेशा इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सेप्ट करता है और न्यूक्लियोफाइल हमेशा इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट करने का काम करता है. This is the first difference. Second difference, electrophile can be either positively charged or the neutral species. इलेक्ट्रोफाइल या तो पॉजिटिवली चार्ज होंगे या न्यूट्रल स्पीसीज होंगे, और न्यूक्लियोफाइल्स या तो निगेटिवली चार्ज होंगे और न्यूट्रल स्पीसीज होंगे। ये सेकेंड डिफरेंस है। थर्ड डिफरेंस, इन इलेक्ट्रोफाइल्स an empty orbital or electrophiles always possesses an empty orbital to receive the electron pair. इलेक्ट्रोफाइल के पास हमेशा एक खाली ऑर्बिटल होता है जिसमें वो इलेक्ट्रॉन को एक्सेप्ट करता है। और न्यूक्लियोफाइल में all nucleophile possess an electron pair which is loosely held and can be supplied or can be easily donated in the reaction medium. तो इलेक्ट्रोफाइल के पास हमेशा एक ऑर्बिटल खाली होता है जहां वो इलेक्ट्रॉन को एक्सेप्ट करता है, और न्यूक्लियोफाइल में हमेशा एक लूजली हेल्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर रहता है जिसे वो रिएक्शन मीडियम में डोनेट कर सकता है। फोर्थ डिफरेंस है, इलेक्ट्रोफाइल हमेशा हाई इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी वाले सेंटर पे अटैक करता है। तो इलेक्ट्रोफाइल अटैक्स द पॉइंट्स ऑफ द हाई इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी, वेयर एज ए न्यूक्लियोफाइल ऑलवेज अटैक्स द पॉइंट्स ऑफ द लो इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी। मतलब इलेक्ट्रोफाइल हमेशा हाई इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी सेंटर पे अटैक करेगा और न्यूक्लियोफाइल हमेशा लो इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी वाले सेंटर पे अटैक करता है। नेक्स्ट डिफरेंस, इलेक्ट्रोफाइल्स को हम लोएस्ट एसिड्स भी कहते हैं and nucleophiles known as the Lewis bases. Why the electrophiles are known as the Lewis acid? Because they can accept a pair of electron. And why the nucleophiles are known as the Lewis bases? Because they can donate a pair of electron. Next difference is electrophiles forms an extra bond with the nucleophile. Electrophile हमेशा nucleophile के साथ एक extra bond बनाता है, और न्यूक्लियोफाइल हमेशा कोवैलेंसी को इंक्रीज करता है, मींस इट इंक्रीजेस द कोवैलेंसी और द वैलेंसी ऑफ द एटम्स और आयंस और मॉलिक्यूल बाय 1 यूनिट, दैट इज iron +2 converted into the iron +3, copper +1 converted into the copper +2. So this is the difference between the electrophiles and the nucleophile. Now I will give you some questions related to my topic. First question is, which of the following compound would be the best nucleophile? इन सारे कंपाउंड में से, इन सभी कंपाउंड में से सबसे अच्छा न्यूक्लियोफाइल कौन सा है? आपको दिए गए कंपाउंड है NH3 अमोनिया, CH3S नेगेटिव, CH3SH, H2O एंड द मेथॉक्सी ग्रुप CH3O नेगेटिव। इन सभी में CH3S negative means when the methyl group attached with the sulfur radical that is converted into the CH3S negative, ये सबसे बेस्ट न्यूक्लियोफाइल है। तो CH3S negative is the best nucleophile. Why it is the best nucleophile? Because it has a negative charge. Why it contains the negative charge, or why this contains or this possesses a negative charge? Because this has more electron density and its electrons are held less tightly than those of the methoxy radical. methoxy radical में ऑक्सीजन लगा है और CH3S में सल्फाइड रेडिकल में सल्फर लगा है। इन दोनों में CH3S नेगेटिव ज़्यादा अच्छा न्यूक्लियोफाइल है। Why? This is known as the good nucleophile as compared to the methoxy radical, because sulfur is less electronegative than oxygen. This is the main reason for CH3S negative is considered as the best nucleophile among the nucleophile given in the question. Second question is, which of the following is the strongest nucleophile? There are some molecules given in the question, that is CH3SEH. Se is the selenium, CH3OH methyl radical, CH3SH thio group, and CH3TH. Te means tellurium. इन ये सभी कंपाउंड 6 ग्रुप से बने हुए हैं, ऑक्सीजन, सेलेनियम, सल्फर, टेल्यूरियम। मीन्स ऑल दीज कंपाउंड आर belong to the same group 6. We know that according to periodic table. As the size increases down the group, the electronegativity decreases. मैंडलिफ पीरियोडिक टेबल के अकॉर्डिंग जैसे जैसे हम ग्रुप में ऊपर से नीचे की तरफ बढ़ते जाते हैं, जैसे ऑक्सीजन, सेलेनियम, सल्फर, टेलिनियम, the size is increases, therefore electronegativity decreases. Due to this, the atom can lose electrons more easily. Therefore, the most stronger nucleophile is CH3TeH. This is the tellurium compound, or this is known as the organometallic tellurium compound. Organometallic compound means when the carbon attached with the metal, it is known as the organometallic compound. Now I explain the last question. Question is, which of the following will be the strongest nucleophile in the non-polar solution? Non-polar solution means benzene, cyclohexane, dimethyl formamide, dimethyl sulfoxide. So which of the following will be the strongest nucleophile in a polar solution? Iodine, bromine, chlorine, and fluorine. The most strongest nucleophile is fluoride ion in the polar solution, because in the polar solution, the nucleophilic strength or nucleophilic character of the halide ion increases with the increase in the electronegativity. In all the iodide, bromide, chloride, fluoride, fluoride ion have the highest electronegativity power as compared to the other halide ion. So fluorine has the highest electronegativity. So it is the strongest nucleophile among the iodide, bromide, chloride, and the fluoride. So, dear student, today I explain the definition of the attacking reagents, type of attacking reagents, explanation of the electrophiles, classification of electrophiles, properties and the exceptions of the electrophile. Second category is the nucleophile, where I have described the definition of nucleophile, classification of nucleophiles, and also explain the difference between electrophiles and nucleophiles. At the end of my lecture, I have explained some examples in the form of exercise, which is based on my today's lecture. So this is all for today. Thank you very much. I hope you all will enjoy my lecture. Thank you very much.